After we moved into our new home, we noticed that the west-facing living area gets really warm in the afternoon sun, and on most days we needed to turn the air conditioner on to cool things down. So when Solar Bright came to discuss the skylights, they noticed the heat and they suggested that we replace the tired old whirlybirds with their MaxBreeze Solar Roof ventilators, which could take a lot more hot air out of the roof cavity. Solar Bright was so professional. They removed the whirlybirds and they installed the new MaxBreezes in a couple of hours. The effect was immediately noticeable. We went from the air conditioning being a must-have to stay comfortable to the air conditioning being optional. With the MaxBreeze fans working away, taking the hot air out of the roof during the hot afternoons, it makes the home cooler at night too. And they are so quiet. You can really feel the difference the MaxBreeze makes in the home.
The MaxBreeze Solar Roof Fans are a fantastic solution to help cool your home in summer. Most people don't realise how important good roof ventilation is to achieve a cooler home, as well as reducing moisture in the roof. And the MaxBreeze from Solar Bright is the perfect solar-powered roof ventilation solution to help make your home cooler. Call today for a free MaxBreeze quote.
See the light, see Solar Bright.